ناس بتقول لي خليهم يتصوروا وخليهم يتصوروا.
Who is Megan?
لا ودت له الصورة.
مين بده يلبس؟
ده كسل.
وين؟ كسر.
You see, though, they built the castle. Nobody can climb to get from outside.
Yes.
Nobody have the power to climb it.
Yes.
These small things.
It's amazing.
Windows.
Windows.
Yeah, so they can shoot you, and you cannot shoot them from outside.
Yes.
They can shoot from inside. It is like this from inside. Now you'll see it.
It's using for war.
Yes. This is war castle.
War castle.
Yeah.
Today I am here in Ajloun. This is a very famous place of قلعة Ajloun, castle of Ajloun. Someone saying here is victory by SALAHUDIN AYYUBI. I will try to show you inside. Now started this castle of Ajloun. Yes, very famous
Outside.
and it's amazing windows. It's the castle of Ajloun. This view of the windows.
تقدر ترميه.
Keeping out. Assalamu alaikum. This is inside place of the castle Ajloun. I think is making the picture of the SALAHUDIN AYYUBI. Yes, yes, sir.
Four houses.
Yes.
Same. Open.
This is a sign of
This is the same sign, yeah.
hang the horse.
But this one here inside, because inside the castle, you cannot say it is a sign.
Yes.
It is usable.
Here is the mention of the module of the castle, right? This is a module,
This is module for the qala.
3D module of the Ajloun Castle.
I'll show you this thing. This is also module for manjaniq.
Manjanik.
Yeah,
This.
I'll show it to you now after they finish.
Yes.
See, manjaniq.
For this using the fire, right?
Sending stones, rocks.
Yes, yes, yes. This is a old fire machine. Name of what is it? Manjanik.
Yeah, these are the stones.
These are
they were
ammunition.
Shooting in
Shooting.
manjaniq. Yeah.
This is a museum of Castle of Ajloun.
This is Byzantine fils coin.
Coin.
Yeah, these are coins. You know, every coin they are writing here what type of this coin and which age.
This is تبرية. باللغة العربية تبرية.
Yes,
تبرية means
Tabriya means you know the same Tabriya.
تبرية.
Yeah. Here is Umawi, Khilafa Umawiya.
أو خلافة.
This is Umawi. This is Islamic coin.
Islamic coin.
Yeah. The face La ilaha illallah.
Yes.
Back Muhammad Rasulullah.
Right.
Yeah. This is AYYUBI. SALAHUDIN AYYUBI.
Yes.
Okay.
False
Nasr
AYYUBI.
Yes.
This name of money, false.
Yeah. Name of money, fels.
And
These
how about
are
this? Tools.
arrowhead. You know the arrow?
Yes.
These are arrowheads. But these are 37,000 before Christmas. Okay? You see? Arrowheads. Period. 34,000 to
37.
43,000 to 37,000 BC.
حمام عجلون.
Yeah. This how they was using this tool.
Yes.
This is a hammer.
Hammer.
Yeah. This one is like scrubbing.
Scrubber.
This is ancient age.
Mention.
Here. Pottery.
Yes. Gift from dear global.
It is gift because somebody found it, so he give it here, gift. But these are pottery jugs.
Budget
Yeah, all are BC, before Christmas.
before Christmas.
Yeah, more than 2,000 years old. This is Bronze Age,
Bouncy.
3,500 BC to 1,200 BC.
It's too much old.
Yes, too much old. You see how they were making?
Yes.
Here same as well. Bronze Age.
It's a very small.
Yeah. Some of them for perfume, some of them for kohol,
Yes, yes.
some of them for bakhur, these small.
Other different purpose using.
Yeah, different purpose. I'll show you some of them for lighting.
Like
These.
it's for in
Yeah.
our language saying chirag.
Yeah, it's siraj in Arabic. It is
Chirag.
siraj.
Yes.
They put oil,
Yes.
And,
For noor, yani lamba,
lamba. Yes.
using for light.
You see, one type. You see two, three. These all types.
This is too much old lighting items. Using by the oil and some cottons. اردو میں اس کو چراغ وغیرہ ہوتے ہیں. تو یہ پرانے زمانے کی مینوفیکچرنگ آئٹم ہے. یہ اجلون قلعے میں موجود ہے.
Here, glass. This is ancient glass. This glass was made before Christmas as well. These are bracelets,
Yes.
necklaces as well, rings.
Approx how many years this old?
Which one?
Oh, everything.
Too much. More than 1,500 years.
1000 years.
More than 1,500.
یہ جو میوزیم میں ساری چیزیں ہیں یہ تقریباً 1 سے 2000 سال پرانی چیزیں ہیں. جس میں کچھ شیشے کی بھی ہیں اور یہ کچھ بریسلیٹ وغیرہ اس طرح کے آئٹم ہیں.
See how they're making glass.
Yes.
Colored glass, some colors they have as well.
Yes.
These are Byzantine age.
It's for using the
Grinders.
food grinders.
Stone grinders. You know?
Yes, yes.
This is the hammer and this is the jack. And they
These are tools.
yeah. Now this is this is Fusayfisa. These they found them in the ground. They dismantle one by one and reflect it back here. This is art. This art,
Yes.
if you look, pieces of stones, they make from them as you
Design.
see, designs.
Yes.
There are different designs. All are Byzantines.
Yes.
There are some Islamic Fusayfisa as well.
یہ یہاں پر ساری پرانی جو نا ڈیزائننگ ہے لیکن یہ بائی ہینڈ یعنی کہ ہاتھ کی مہارت ہے. اور یہ سارا اسٹون ہے یعنی کہ پتھر کو تراش کے یعنی کلر والے جو پتھر ہوتے ہیں ان کو تراش کے بنایا گیا ہے سارا.
This is Byzantine language.
It's Roman.
Byzantine.
Byzantine.
Now Byzantine and Roman are different.
Different.
Also this one is Byzantine.
Byzantine.
Yeah. These are parts. Sometimes they cannot find the whole or they cannot restore the whole Fusayfisa. So whatever is good they can restore and put it here as you see.
It's a very amazing.
Stone bullets, as I said. They throw it on the enemies. Different
This
sizes.
sound like bullet for fire.
This they throw it by manjanik, as we said before.
یہ پرانے زمانے کی بلٹس یعنی کہ گولی کے طور پہ استعمال ہوتے تھے. یہ کیونکہ یہ قلعہ جو ہے جنگی قلعہ کہلاتا تھا تو یہاں سے فائٹ کے لیے یہ بلٹ استعمال ہوتے تھے. اس کی ایک مشین ہوتی ہے منجمک, وہ بھی یہاں پر موجود ہے. اس پہ کچھ اسلامی تحریر لکھی ہوئی. یس. بسم اللہ الرحمن.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First line بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنما يعمر مساجد الله من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة ولم يخش إلا الله. Second line جدد عمارة هذا المسجد المبارك العبد الفقير إلى الله تعالى الأمير الآجر ركن الدين منكورش. السطر الثالث third line الجمدار المنصوري النائب في عجلون في أيام مولانا السلطان الملك المنصور خلد الله ملكه في جماد الأول سنة 86 و600 686 Hijri.
Too much word.
Yeah, this is saying that this masjid was renewed.
This is a masjid, right? یہ جو اس پہ تحریر لکھی ہوئی ہے اس کی یہ سیم اس کی جو اسٹون پہ لکھا ہوا ہے یہ اس کی کاپی کی گئی ہے اس جگہ پہ.
These are smoking pipes.
Yes. Older.
Yeah, smoking pipes.
Yeah.
Pottery smoking pipes. Okay. Here, again, for lighting.
Yes. It's for measurement.
Which one?
Pottery. Ajloun.
Grenades. No, this one
Grenade
is
for fire.
also this one candle, like this one,
Yes.
for lighting. But this one is handheld. Handheld. This one, you know, on shelf. I'll show you where in places they put it. Not in this room. It's not showing here. We can go to another room.
Yes.
These
It's
are
for
the places of
lighting.
lighting.
Yes.
Amazing, yeah?
یہ جو آپ لوگ ارطغرل غازی ڈرامے میں قلعے دیکھتے ہیں نا یہ اصلی میں دیکھ لیں ایسے ہوتے ہیں یہ قلعے پہلے کے زمانے کے. اور یہ صلاح الدین ایوبی کا اس میں تحریر ہے کہ آپ نے فتح کیا تھا. یہ سارا ایمونیشن ہے پرانے زمانے کا فائر آئٹم ہے اس سے ڈیفینس کیا جاتا تھا. منجنک.
This is the design of Manjanik. They put the stone here.
Yes.
There is a spring.
Yes.
They take it back, then they throw it. It reach long distances.
Distances. There is a mention the weight.
No, this is a number. But the weight, this one, more than 200 kg.
Yes. یہ پہلے کے قلعوں میں روشنی کے لیے اس طرح یہ بنایا جاتا تھا کہ اس میں نہیں پڑتی تھی. اور
Which they throw arrows.
اور یہ جو jagah ہے دو چیزوں کی استعمال ہوتی ہے. ایک یہ کھڑکی کے طور پہ بھی, دوسرا ڈیفینس کے لیے یعنی کہ فائر یہاں سے تیر مارے جاتے تھے.
If you look from outside,
Yes.
from outside, as we said, it's a thin area. But from inside, they make it like this. So you can shoot like this, you can shoot like this, and nobody can shoot from outside on you.
You will be safe.
This is defending.
Yes. It's amazing.
This one maybe is an escape route.
Escape.
Underground. hidden
Underground
escape
in-
route, yes. Here, this one is clear. You see? From inside it's big, so you have a freedom.
Yes.
You can see everything on both sides, but from outside nobody can see you even.
Yes.
So you can attack people from outside, or you can attack enemies and nobody can attack you.
یہ ابھی ہم آپ کو پورا کمپلیٹ قلعہ دکھا چکے ہیں اور یہ بہت امیزنگ قلعہ ہے, بہت خوبصورت بھی ہے اور اس میں بہت فنی چیزیں بھی ہیں اور اتنا اسٹرانگ اس کا اسٹرکچر ہے کہ یو کانٹ بلیو, تم اس بات پر بھروسہ بھی نہیں کر سکتے. اللہ اکبر. Many floor.
Yeah, go straight. This is the same one.
It's a too big place, huh?
Yes, it is. It is a qil'ah.
Salah.
And if we say qil'ah, means the whole army is
This is the same like military
military
headquarters.
army, yes. Yeah. Also with food and all of their resources. They can sustain for a couple of months. Some places are still destroyed. They are repairing. They are repairing to get the original design. This is guard tower.
Guard tower.
Yeah.
For observation check post.
Observation for check and for defending as well.
This is also hidden room. Hidden room.
Yeah. This is basement floors. Still not open as well.
Very fancy. Very fancy. And also very expensive. This is like Burj.
Yeah. And you see, 3 or 4 soldiers can sit here.
Yes.
And replace making shifts to keep the fencing.
How can make the drawing
Salah prayers place.
ये किले में नमाज की जगह है मस्जिद भी उस ज़माने में बनाई होगी उन्होंने तो ये वो जगह मौजूद है अभी तक
This is the place of wuzu. Wuzu place.
wudu ablution the old place of the doing ablution ये वुज़ू करने की जगह है
Can see.
वो किला है जो सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी अलैहिर्रहमा ने फतह किया आप इसका तसव्वुर भी नहीं कर सकते कि इसके अंदर जो है कोई दाखिल हो सकता है दूसरा शख्स ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी अलैहिर्रहमा के लिए कि उन्होंने इसको फतह किया और ये इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया रोमन से ये मुसलमानों की हदूद में आ गया ये किला अभी इसके अंदर मस्जिद भी मौजूद है ये किला अजलून है और ये अजलून शहर का मंज़र है ये सामने पूरा शहर अजलून है ये किला सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी अलैहिर्रहमा की फतूहात में से एक है
This is motorway. This is the tower which we said above.
yes.
We were there, you see? We were in that area, looking here. Now we are on the opposite side.
This is a window.
this window
This video to YouTube.
Yes.
Very nice.
Many videos I will upload, but later.
Totally destroyed, but still standing, not
Yes.
falling down. This is the old building. This is the way how they were building. Let's continue.
It's a very amazing engineering, right?
Yes. Yes, it is. With a certain design by Fasa.
C'è il mosaico? Sì. Guarda qui dentro c'è una pietra.
Water network?
It's for
Yeah, it's like pipes, underground
Yeah.
water pipes. They open it to show you how it was distributed. You see? This is line, this is another line, this is the third line.
this is a water draining system in the castle of Ajloun. How are you? What is this?
I don't know. You think I know everything? There's many secrets.
There was it.
This is also water.
This water system.
Yeah.
Going from here or there? There is also a water system. This one.
قاعة الدين
الدين Osama Hall. Yeah, this is also water system.
I think this is commander officer
Yeah.
room.
Not true. Muslim.
Okay.
الدين Osama Muslim. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go up. This is water channel as well. You look inside.
Yes. Water.
This area under repair.
Yes.
They are repairing. Castle is very big. Many parts are destroyed because of wars, weather, so many things. Treasure hunters. So now they are repairing. You see how much wall is thick?
Yes.
It's about 1 meter 50 centi. The wall thick.
Yes.
So even if it has a bomb, it will not fall.
Yes.
Go now upside.
Yes.
The upper side will show you how much this is a strategical place.
انا بستنى هون. رب الفيو حلو. اسطوري.
والله بتقع بابا. The top of the castle.
Yes.
Here you can see Palestine from here. See, I'll show you how many area you can see. Bisan, Palestine, Tabariya Lake, Palestine, Mounts of Sheikh, Lebanon, you can see from here. Jordan Valley, south of Jordan, you can see from here. This is for the north. Okay, for the west, you can see Jerusalem, Nablus, Jenin, Jordan Valley. You can see as I said to you yesterday, if it is clear weather, you can see Jerusalem, but unfortunately it's not clear. Maybe if you can concentrate, you can get something. Catch it directly.
This is
Bisan. Bisan is another location in Palestine. Bisan has Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about Bisan in the end of age before Qiyamah. Bisan have a certain action. Bad king, he will go outside and he try to destroy Kaaba in the last of age. His place will be near this area or looking at this area. That will be his location, and he will try to destroy Kaaba. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will kill him and his army. Then Imam Mahdi will raise.
It means start this here.
Not from here, but his residency is
Bisan.
looking at this location.
Bisan.
Looking at this location. That means maybe here, you know, maybe here. You get it?
Imam Mahdi will be killed. This,
Yeah. Nobody will kill him. Allah will destroy him.
मेंशन जेरूशलम कुड्स अभी, लेकिन मौसम इतना क्लियर नहीं है, वरना यहाँ से आपको क्लियर बैतुल मक़दस यानी कि जेरूशलम देख सकते थे। ये बहुत हाइट पे है माउंटेन, तो अभी मौसम क्लियर नहीं है, इस वजह से आप देख नहीं सकते, वरना ये वो प्लेस है, हाइट है अजलून में कि यहाँ से आप क्लियर बैतुल मक़दस को देख सकते हैं। ये बहुत करीब है जगह, और ये इधर सब लोकेशन है मेंशन है कि ये किला के जो टॉप है वहाँ से आप क्या क्या देख सकते हैं। लेक ऑफ तिब्रिया, ये तिब्रिया वो जगह है कि जिसके बारे में सरकार दो आलम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया कि क़बल क़यामत याजूज माजूज जो कौम होगी या उसके लोग होंगे वो इसका पानी पी जाएंगे। ये वो जगह है। और बिसान यानी कि यहाँ से जो हुज़ूर ने फरमाया कि काबतुल्लाह को जो यानी कि मिस्मार करने के लिए इरादा करेंगे वो यहाँ से होंगे, लेकिन उनको अल्लाह तबारक व तआला ख़त्म कर देगा इमाम मेहदी के ज़रिए। और ये अल-कुद्स जेरूशलम ये यहाँ से देख सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी मौसम इतना क्लियर नहीं है।